boat. Watch your step and use the handrails, please. Now, to heighten our chances of survival, please remain cool. You can completely see a driving attachment. Keep an eye on our speed lights inside the boat at all times for your safety. Parents, please supervise your children. Children, please supervise your parents. Make sure you keep those face covers on at all times. Although not desired, they are required. And with all that said, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like we are just about almost ready to go. And we are clear, which means we are also everyone pick up the paper hand and wave to the dock. Now, don't be rude, wave to the people on dock, too. You're not going to see them again for like 2 weeks. I'm just kidding, though. You're never going to see them again for the rest of your life. Then again, you've probably never seen them before, right? Anyway, welcome aboard the World Famous Travel Cruise, where we are world famous for being famous. My name's Patrick. I'll be your skipper. I'll be your captain. I'll be your guide for the next 3 months as we travel down some of the greatest shovel rivers of the world. And if you choose not to laugh at any of my jokes, I can also be your swimming instructor. We're going to begin our adventure by heading down the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days a year. You know, it's almost every single day. And check out these butterflies over our left and right. Pretty big, huh? Their wingspan can be anywhere from 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. Yeah, they're the real rulers of the jungle, if you ask me. Up on our left in just a moment, you will see what we skippers like to refer to as inspiration falls, and I know what you must be thinking. Skipper Patrick, why? Why exactly do you call this inspiration falls? Well, let me tell you, we call it that because if you look at it long enough, it inspires you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Isn't it beautiful? Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. Now, that is an inspiration right there I've never heard before. Now, as we head down the Congo River, for those of you who have never seen the Disney classic, The Jungle Book of today, it's your lucky day because there it is. Well, this is an odd sight to see. At any given time, there should be a seagull working on a boat whale shot in the head, but I can't see anyone. Canoe? Something must have scared him off. Whoa, this might explain it right here. Up on the left, we have a giant python. They can grow to be about 24 feet long, but don't worry, thanks, they're really friendly creatures. They can even develop a crush on you, but believe me, you don't want to get wrapped up in that. It's a really constricting relationship. We're now entering banana country, so keep your eyes peeled in case you need to split. It's this right here, a safari camp with some uninvited guests. They're slopping around the corner that need their colors, left the lights on. Alright, friends, we're now heading down the Nile River, which goes on for miles. And miles. And miles. And miles. And if you don't believe me, well, you must be in
denial.
Disbelief. Very good. On our left, you'll see we have the second sphere animal of the jungle, the African bull elephant. On our right, you'll see we have the most feared animal of the jungle. It's mother-in-law. Okay, watch this. Hey, you there. Yes, I'm talking to you. Speak. Pretty impressive, huh? I trained her myself. As we head down the African block, you'll notice this is a home to a huge array of wildlife, including, let's see, what do we have here? Giraffes, wildebeests, gazelles, vultures, and would you look at this? Up on the right, we have a nice mountain of lions protecting some of the world's greatest, most intelligent, and artistic minds. And then those skipper feelings to know about him. His first day on the job, and by the looks of things, it looks like it could be his last day as well. And off to the left there, you'll see like it's like, alrighty, as we continue on down the miles and miles and miles of the Nile River, I'd like to take this opportunity to remind everyone to please remain fully seated on our back pockets. Please keep your hands inside the boat at all times for your safety, and make sure you keep the face covers over both our nose and our mouth. I also want to show you guys that, well, probably, we're about to go into a huge waterfall. Check out the water. Bring it on. It's the beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named after our famous African explorers, after Albert Falls. You know, I hear more warnings of the Schweitzer Falls in 1 minute than anyone can get in their entire lifetime. I was thinking a few minutes, but I'm not that information just a little hard to swallow. You know, I used to be a pilot. There's the first plane I ever flew. Tried to fly into Casablanca. Seems like I'm not a good pilot. Something for the first time, something terrible happens. By the way, did I mention this is my first time piloting a boat? I'm kidding, folks. I've not ordered many of these in my days. So with that said, as we enter the sample pool filled with hungry hippos, don't be fooled. They look like friendly creatures, but they can capsize an entire boat just like this one. In fact, last week they capsized 12 of these boats on this river, but don't worry, only 11 of them are mine. Alright, friends, here's the good news. For those of you who have been to Disney before, I'm sure most of you have taken a picture at least one time in front of our famous Purple Wall, the big photo spot over in Tomorrowland. Well, here at the Jaw Cruise, we have some limited time magic. We have this temporary but magic all going on. So snap those pictures now because this will not be here forever. Now, as we pass this temporary but magical green wall, this area here, I want you all to keep your eyes out for ambushes and other dangerous plants. They could be anywhere. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, the amazing, the stupendous, the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. Or as we skippers like to call it, O2H. That was a close one, ladies and gentlemen. You guys hear that resound as we're headed down another river and walking on a whole new world? I mean, a whole new continent with a new fantastic point of view. We're now heading down the Mekong River, Southeast Asia, deep in the heart of Cambodia. And you see those ruins up ahead? That's an old sacred temple. What do you think, folks? Should we go in? Well, this next time I won't find, so keep your eyes open because I'm going to keep mine closed. Raise your hand if you're not here. Oh good, I'm not the only one who's missing. Folks, we're now entering the sacred bathing pool with the Indian elephant. If you want to take a picture, let's go right ahead. Looks to me like they've all got their trucks on. Okay, this one on the right, just beyond the rocks. You'll see him in just a second. He's just popping his head out of the water and say hi to us. You see him? Oh, wait there, man. How are ya? Oh my gosh, he's trying to spray us with water. Look at this, look at this. Stay down there, squirrel. I'm watching you. Don't try to be funny, you hear me? Oh my gosh, he's coming back up. Everybody, duck. Sorry, I thought I saw a duck and I got really excited. But anyway, do you see though? Way up there, I see my favorite plant of the jungle, the hibiscus. I also see my second favorite plant of the jungle way down there, the lobiscus. You know, the deeper and deeper we go into the jungle, the worse and worse my jokes get. So with that said, it is now time to start slowly approaching the most dangerous part of our trip, the return to civilization. So I want to take this opportunity to say you all have been an absolutely outstanding group today. However, in just a moment, I'm going to need you all to be outstanding on this dock right around the corner here. So please remain fully and completely seated in your seats until we've come to that full and complete stop on the dock. And as usual, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times for your safety. Now, as we approach the unloading dock here, although you all have been an outstanding group today, in my personal opinion, I'm still going to leave you all with these two final words that I want you all to remember for the rest of the day. And I truly mean this from the bottom of my very, very khaki color heart when I say this. Get out. Sorry, wait, that was kind of rude, wasn't it? Let me try that again. Ladies and gentlemen, please get out. Watch your head, watch your step, and use